Hi, I am Camila Perez. I'm an expert in lymphatic drainage massages, and I'm here today with Sol de Janeiro to teach you how to do a self-lymphatic drainage using the Bumbu Body Firmeza oil. So, lymphatic drainage massage is a very good technique to help you to depuff and make your skin to look even better. Starting with the Guarana Caffeine Plus Complex. This visibly firms your skin. The main ingredients on the caffeine complex are Guarana, Marapuama, and Jabuticaba. Now, for the microalgae extract. This reduces the feeling of puffiness and stimulates your circulation. And last but not least, Brazilian olive oil nourishes without leaving you that greasy feeling. So today we're gonna concentrate on the stomach area. Gonna put the oil on your hand, all over your stomach. Now we're gonna do with the tool. So you can place very close to this area. Repeat on the other side. And then with the smaller side, we can place in the middle of your stomach, upward to your armpit. And to finish with the waistline, we're gonna place on the back at the waistline and bringing to the front. Thank you so much for watching. Make time to worship you.